Hey you! Yes, you. The one looking to feel stronger, lighter, and more confident. Welcome to your personal home workout that's designed to melt fat, fire up your metabolism, and tone your entire body, all from the comfort of your home. No gym? No problem. No equipment? We've got you. No excuses? Absolutely. Today we're going to take you through 10 powerful science-backed moves that target every major muscle group, elevate your heart rate, and keep your body in fat-burning mode, even long after the workout ends. This is more than just a workout. This is your moment, a 20-minute investment in your health, energy, and future. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or trying to break through a plateau, these moves are designed to challenge and transform you. So clear your space, grab some water, take a deep breath, and let's warm up together. One, high knees. Let's go big right from the start. Stand tall and drive your knees up as high as you can while pumping your arms. Keep your core tight and land softly on your feet. Want low impact? March quickly in place, but keep intensity high. This move not only elevates your heart rate, it strengthens your core and legs too. 2. Squat to front kick. Lower into a squat, keeping your chest lifted and knees behind your toes. As you rise, kick one leg forward, alternating each time. This combo move strengthens your glutes, thighs, and hip flexors while activating your core and improving balance. 3. Mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position. Bring one knee toward your chest, then the other, as fast as you can while maintaining a straight spine. This move is cardio and core, and a serious calorie torture. Keep your shoulders stacked over your wrists. 4. Jump squats. Lower into a squat, then explode up, reaching high into the air. Land softly with bent knees and drop right back into the squat. This builds leg strength and boosts cardiovascular endurance. Modify by rising onto your toes instead of jumping. 5. Push-up to shoulder tap. Drop into push-up position, either full or on your knees. After each push-up, tap your opposite shoulder with one hand while keeping your hips still. This works your chest, arms, and abs, all in one move. Focus on form, not speed. 6. Plank jacks. Back in plank, jump your feet out wide and then back together. Keep your hips level and core tight. Need to modify? Step one foot out at a time instead of jumping. Your heart rate should be climbing now. 7. Reverse lunges. Stand tall, step one leg back and lower your body until both knees are at 90 degrees. Push back up and switch legs. This strengthens the legs and glutes and improves coordination and posture. Keep your core engaged for balance. 8. Burpees. Start standing. Drop into a squat, jump back into plank, optional push-up, then jump forward and leap up. This full body movement burns serious calories. Beginners, skip the push-up or jump if needed. Stay controlled. 9. Bicycle crunches. Lie flat on your back. Bring your knees up and alternate twisting your torso, bringing each elbow to the opposite knee. Go slow and controlled. This is about quality, not speed. Tighten your abs and really feel the twist. 10th. Skater hops. Jump side to side like a speed skater. Land on one foot and swing the other behind you. This builds agility, balance, and torches fat while working your legs and core. Keep moving, even if it's small steps. You did it. You just crushed 10 powerful fat-burning moves, and you did it without leaving the house. These workouts, when done consistently, can jumpstart your metabolism, strengthen your muscles, and help you feel energized every single day. Remember, fitness isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up. And today, you showed up for you. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You're strong, you're capable, and this is only the beginning.